Hey guys, you cannot miss these super useful iPhone tips. I'm going to show you the top 5 iOS 16 features that you should definitely know. To jump to the first photo in an album in the Photos app or to the top in a website on Safari, just tap on the top edge of your iPhone screen. To hide notification for a specific app, just go to Setting, Notifications, select App, Show Previews and then select Never option. If you forgot the Wi-Fi password for the network you ever connected to, just go to the settings, Wi-Fi, tap on the I button next to that Wi-Fi network and then tap on password. Use Face ID or Touch ID and there you go. If you want to pin individual or group chat at the top in your iMessages, just press and hold the chat and select pin. It makes it much easier to find the people you talk to the most. Go to Settings, General, Keyboard, Text Replacement, then tap on the plus sign at the top right. Now enter the phrase into the phrases field and type the text shortcut you want to use for it in the shortcut field and hit save. Now whenever you type the text replacement, the phrase will automatically be added to the app you are typing in. If we have missed some amazing iPhone tips, then we would love to know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Tweak Library.